Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the classic accessories Veranda water-resistant 98-inch square patio table and chair set cover, designed to keep your outdoor furniture safe and sound. Crafted from 100% woven polyester with a laminated polyvinyl chloride backing, this cover fits snugly over square patio tables and 8 standard chairs, measuring 98 inches in length and width and 23 inches in height. The Gardelle Fabric System not only offers an elegant fabric top but also features a water-resistant laminated backing and a protective dark splash guard skirt, ensuring your furniture stays dry even on the windiest days. With click-close straps and an elastic hem cord, you get a tight, custom-like fit that secures the cover in place, while air vents help reduce inside condensation and wind lofting. Padded handles make fitting and removal a breeze, although it's important to note that the cover is not designed to entirely cover the wheels or legs. To further protect your furniture, consider using a support pole to elevate the cover, minimizing the risk of reactions between the cover and your furniture's finishes. Finally, the durable fabric provides excellent protection against harmful UV rays, making this cover an essential addition to your outdoor setup. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.